Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for hotels in the HotelTonight application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the button at the bottom of the page on the left. And at the top of the page, click on the Where button. And here you can search for your own city, neighborhood or hotel, but you can also see the trending destinations and just choose out of them. And you can also set if you want it for tonight or a specific date. And if for a specific date, then of course you have to set the check-in and the check-out time as well. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you will find all the deals that this application offers. So if you're interested in any of them, then just click on them, and you will be able to see all the details and informations on the hotel. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.